Hello, this is Abhi from Pressure Kleen again. We're here today at a property in Macclesfield. This beautiful property here. What we have here is we got a concrete blocks which are imitating sandstone. We go down, have a look here. It's all been stained with the deck stain. So all the way around the house. I'll flip the camera in a second. I'll show you what it is. And I'll also show you how we're tackling this job. It's coming up really good. It's coming up beautiful. We're bringing those beautiful blocks back to normal. And one of our technicians is working really hard on it. It's a big job. It's a big house up here in the valley. So yeah, let's see how it's going to come up and turn up. See you soon. So what we got here is the deck stain, guys. It's pretty much on the concrete blocks all around the house. So it walks all around. We start from here. We started cleaning from there, so that's all nice and gone. We have to finish there. That's where we started. That's the first wash. It's got nice and beautiful. And I'll be going to see it's all gone there. Still got to do here. Whatever this is working on here to get the stain off.